Hi friends, snack for my Ghanaian toddler. For her carbs, I gave her a biscuits. For her protein, I gave her 1.5 boiled eggs. For fruits, I diced a bit of saloon mango and I also gave her some grapes. I gave her chocolate pudding. I got this from Palace Mall. And 2 Laughing Cow cream cheese. A bit of peanuts or granuts. For a refreshing drink, I gave a pineapple flavored drink made here in Ghana. I put some DIY pics on her fruit and egg, drizzled a bit of tomato ketchup on the eggs as well. With her water bottle, we are done for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.